Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of simple and compound probabilities. This is standard 7.6i in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 30 of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a deli making sandwiches, and we've got three different things here. We got a type of bread, a type of meat, and a type of cheese. So let's open up our graph draw here. So we see we've got these three things. We got bread, we've got meat, we've got cheese. And they are presented to us in that order. And so what is the probability that a customer will randomly choose a sandwich that is made using, all right, so we've got white bread, ham, and then cheddar cheese. All right, so we have a compound probability here because we've got three different options, right? So let's start with our white bread. Okay, so if we have our white bread, what are our different options with white bread? Well, if we have white bread, right, we could have ham, we could have our turkey, and we could have our salami. So one bread, and then we've got three different meat options. Now, when we hit those meat options, let me change colors to kind of show here. Now we're picking up something else. We've got this ham can go to both American and cheddar. Same with the turkey, American and cheddar. Same with the salami, American and cheddar. So I'm going to show that right here. So we've got American and cheddar. These are the two options, right? So if I look all the way across, I could do that same thing. So American and cheddar for my turkey. And then I've got American and cheddar for my salami. All right, so this is a nice representation of my options if I just choose the white bread. And what I'm looking for here, right, we wanted white bread, ham, and cheddar cheese, right? So this white bread, ham, cheddar cheese. So this right here, that's actually my combination that I want there. But if I have white bread, I actually have one combination, two, which is the second one would be the one I want, the white, the ham, and the cheddar. And I've got this third one right here. I'm going side to side. Then I've got this fourth one, right? Then I've got this fifth one, right, with that salami. And then I've got this sixth one with that salami as well. So if you just go down this third kind of column that we have here, you can see that I've got 6 different options. I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if white bread were my only option for bread, I can say, well, I would have a 1 out of 6 chance of just randomly choosing a sandwich that has that white bread, that ham, and that cheddar cheese. But I don't have just one, right? I've got wheat. Now, what I don't want to do is I don't necessarily want to repeat all of this, but what I can do is I can just double it. I can say, look, I can do wheat, ham, and cheddar, and I can do wheat, ham, and American, and then wheat, turkey, and American, and then wheat, turkey, and cheddar. So if you just make one sample right here, you can just kind of repeat it with a different bread because it's going to have the same meat options, the same cheese options. So that's going to be 6 for the wheat. That's going to be 6 for the white. So there's a total of 12 options, right? And only one of those options is the one that we actually want, that white, that ham, and that cheddar. So we've got a total of 12 options, 6 with white bread, 6 with wheat bread, and we have a 1 out of 12 chance. So that is going to be our answer, D.